to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, I was playing with one of these palettes. Can you guess which palette I play with? Yep, you got it right. I play with this palette right here. This is the Sweet Pink by Juvia's. Beautiful, stunning colors. I could not help myself. I wanted to play with these beautiful pink color. And why not play right now? Because Valentine is next month. It's coming. So if you guys want to find a look, this is a great look for Valentine. Super pink, super beautiful, super dolly. But look at this palette right here. Super glittery, shimmery pink color. I'm loving this little palette. So cute. Look how beautiful is the palette. I got these three palettes together. I think this was the Christmas collection. It came in a pack just like this. And all these palettes are beautiful. Let me open this one up. This one is the Mauve by Juvia's. Look how gorgeous is this. I'm probably gonna play with this next tutorial, but look how beautiful. And look how gorgeous is this one. It's like super cool, beautiful colors. I'm loving the palette. This is actually the first time me playing with Juvia's palette. Never played with it before, but let me tell you, when I say these eyeshadows are super creamy, super blendable, and very pigmented, these palettes are 100% awesome. I'm loving it. But anyways, I'm talking too much. If you guys want to see how I created this beautiful dolly pink beautiful look, then please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. Prime my eyes off camera. So we're just gonna begin with this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be placing this color right here, and I'm gonna place that on my lid. Grab that beautiful, it's like a purpley pink color. All right, so I'm gonna place that in my eyelids. Wow, look how pigmented that is. This is my first palette from Juvia's, so I don't know if this has fallout. The color is amazing. So what I'm doing is I'm just packing the color because I want that color to be super intense and bright. Actually, let me put some tape. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. tape. I haven't used tape in forever, so let's bring the tape out. I mean, why not? Grab that pink. Actually, I thought it was like a purple pink, but this is actually a really bright. You know what? This palette, it's pretty cute for Valentine's. Like, I'm getting ahead of myself. Valentine's not even here yet, but this could be a cute look for Valentine's. It has all the pinks, the light pinks. It has the little glitter, this beautiful pinkish color. Look how gorgeous is that color. I'm gonna place it on top of that pink because we're going to blend it. And I'm just placing it right now. I'm not blending it. And now I'm just going to blend that color and bring it in now. I'm gonna bring it inwards. And I'm doing circular motion. Wow. Do you see how beautiful is that pink? And then I'm gonna grab that darker pink color and just bring out that color back. I haven't done a pink look in forever, and this is bringing me life. This is stunning, guys. I'm gonna place this other pink. It's like a softer pink, and I'm just going to blend it with that other pink and just bring it upwards near the brow bone. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to place this beautiful color, and I'm just gonna spray my brush and just fake the cutting the crease. So I'm gonna grab a flat brush. So I'm going to be using this flat brush right here. I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna use this glitter right here. Look how beautiful is that glitter. I'm gonna place the corner of the lid. Wow, that's gorgeous. So I'm gonna fake cutting the crease. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna spray the brush again and do the other eye. Now I'm gonna use the back of the brush and I'm gonna grab this glittery purplish color and I'm just gonna place it right here in the center just to blend with that other glitter. All right, that is gorgeous. I'm loving the color. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wing my eyes. I'm going to be using my NYX Epic liner and in black. So I'm going to wing it. I'm going to leave the tape there. My face is done. I left a little bit of the powder just to set my nose, but we're going to begin with the bottom eyelids. I'm going to be using the same colors, but I'm going to be placing this pink, this bright pink right here, and I'm going to place that in my bottom waterline. And I'm going to be using this little brush right here, and this is Morphe M508. Grab that pink color, and then I'm just going to taper it on the bottom of the waterline just to give it that bright pink color. Do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm just going to be using that pinkish purple color right here, and I'm just going to smoke it out. Now I'm going to use my Huda Beauty pencil and I'm going to use it in black. Now I'm going to do my inner corner and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to spray it just to intensify that color in my inner corner, and I'm just going to place that right here. That is gorgeous. I'm loving that. Do you guys see how gorgeous that looks? So now I'm just going to wipe that Essence product out, and I'm going to put mascara on my waterline. I'm going to use the Bad Girl from Benefit. The bottom lashes are so long, but look how gorgeous that look. It's giving me dolly effect. All right, guys, so now I'm going to put some blush. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and this is Pool Party. And I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to just use all three. I love blush, guys. As you can see, I can put a whole bunch of blush. I just love the blush vibe. Yes, girl, looking good. I'm gonna put some highlight on my nose. Highlight, highlight on my nose. Highlight, highlight on my nose. Highlight, highlight on my nose. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Cellar. No. I'm gonna use what I'm gonna use to highlight my nose. I'm gonna use my Morphe palette, and this is 8S. And this has a lot of beautiful, beautiful highlighters. And I want to go bronzy, so I'm just going to place, actually I'm going to put Comet, this color right here, just because we are looking very dolly and pink. So let's place that on the nose, the brow bone. Oh yes, girl, where are you going? Right here. You see how gorgeous that look? It's like a pinkish highlighter. Yes. Wow. Looking like a rose gold. Put it on my lip a little bit. Love it, guys. Love that highlighter is giving me. It's bringing me life. It's gorgeous. So now we're going to do our lips. And I have all these lipsticks. I have all these lipsticks right here, and this is for Juvia's. I just got the whole collection because I'm like loving their products. So I'm just going to use my ColourPop lip liner, and I'm going to probably place one of those lipstick on my lips. So because this look is giving me Barbie vibes, I want to do like a soft pink color. And I'm going to be placing, let me see this color. I'm going to place this lip liner from ColourPop. And this is in Starship. Let's wipe my lip down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. And now I'm going to place from Juvia's this color right here. Look how gorgeous is this color, and this is in Chic. This is the first time me using this lipstick, and this lipstick from Juvia's is so creamy, and look how beautiful this is. Oh, you guys gotta get your hands on this. So pretty. I'm gonna spray my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Juvia's palette eye tutorial. Beautiful. I love the pinks. I just feel like a doll, a Barbie doll with this beautiful pink glittery eyes. If you guys like this, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.